Hello all. In this video, let's see how we can find the sum of digits of a given number. So what exactly this is? So let's jump into the whiteboard and let's analyze what exactly over here. For example, if in case if the given number is 1, 2, 3, 4, then I would like to print the output as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, 7 to 9 is equal to 10. So this is exactly what they can ask you in one of your interviews. Let's jump into the Colab and let's see how we can solve this problem. So over here, for example, let's say the number is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I would like to print this one. How we can do this one? Okay, let's think about this one. So now I'm going to separate 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then I will do the sum of all this one. And now even before this one, just remember the strings concept. So if you have a string, for example, let's say name is equal to Rajiv. So if you'd like to print 1, 1, 1, 1, if you were to separate this one, you can quickly do for x in name print x. It will give you something like this. But for the same one, for example, let's say num is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you do something like this, it will throw you an error. Which because int object, it is not iterable. So basically using the int, you can't do this one. So what you have to do here, you have to convert an int to a string. And this is how we can achieve the output. Okay. So now let's see how we can do. So remember the list comprehensions over here. So for example, let's say n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to do for x in n, okay, and it is going to be a string. I'm going to return the x. So basically what this returns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to sum this one. And let's run this one. Oops. So here, basically if you see over here for x in a string, so what it is doing, it is printing which element and it is returning a string here, right? And actually we should return this as an integer. So that's the reason, let's put integer over here. And now let's run this one. There it go. So now, as like we know, we always wanted to write the functions instead of for the red code. Let's write a function over here. So define sum of digits. Okay, let's say given number is n. Return what I would like to return for x in string of n. I would like to return the integer of this part, and I would like to sum this one. Cool. Now let's call this one. For example, let's say 1, 2, 3. It should return the output as 6. 1, 2, 3. Sum of digits of n. Sum of x. Yep, there it go. So here it is going to be 6. For example, let's say sum of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it goes 15. This is how you can write the code to find the sum of digits of a given number. Thank you for watching this video.